Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have an amazing inflatable mat to show you. This thing is awesome. There are so many features that I love about this inflatable mat. I think my favorite thing is just how easy it is to use. It was so simple, even my little son can do it. All you have to do is unfold it and pop the tabs, and then it inflates itself in a matter of moments, which was amazing. So when he's like, hey mom, can my friend sleep over tonight? I can be like, yeah, go fill up the mat, and he can do it himself. My husband weighed it, and it only weighs about 3 pounds, which is perfect for lugging around if you're camping. You can hook it right to your backpack and not even barely know it's there. It was super easy to deflate. You just let the air out with ease, pop the tabs down so that it doesn't inflate on you, put the elastic band around it, put it in the bag, and you're ready to go. The uses for this are just endless. You can use it for camping, which is what it's made for. It's an extra mat when you have company pop over, and it's super comfortable, which is something else that I really liked about it. This is real time here of me inflating it, and you'll see me stand back, and it really is just a matter of moments until it's inflated. That's amazing. I don't want to overlook just how comfortable this thing is. I've laid on it in the yard and in my house, and I'm comfortable there. I can watch the birds and the trees, and then these valves are so easy to use. I can do it with one hand, click them up and down. So this inflatable bed has been absolutely perfect for what we needed it for, and that's my point of view.